Tired of the routine? Feel like packing your bags and escaping to God knows where? If you're ready for unbelievable thrills, come along. I know just the place. Welcome to the wonderful world of Fantacity. Acres and acres of fun, entertainment, adventure, recreation, gourmet, shopping and leisure at Gurgaon, New Delhi. Crafted for the entire family and full to the brim of adventure, Fantacity is a whole new city for all age groups. As you enter, the iconic tower catches your eye with its glory and grandeur. You can go up this highlight of Fantacity and enjoy a panoramic view of the entire expanse and even pamper your palate at the revolving restaurant. This fantasy world is filled with the most spectacular rides, retail and dining experience, indoor amusement extravaganza, and thrilling and chilling water park. Let's begin our adventures with retail and shopping. Where premium shopping and dining are concerned, Fantacity is truly happening. At Equity Retail and Shopping, you can delight your shopping senses with not only the foremost retail brands but an exciting burst of fun, energy and cuisine. The vast retail space in Equity houses everything you need, from apparel and jewelry to appliances and furniture. So you can shop till you drop and then complement your shopping with tasty bites. Wow, that was fantastic shopping! And now I am hungry. Let's go and have a yummy mouthful. Fantacity has a basket full of options for tantalizing your taste buds. You will come here again and again. Just for food, it is that good. Whether you are in the mood for a relaxed dinner, a quick lunch, a grab-it-and-go snack on the run, luxurious fine dining, or a bite of fast food, everything is set, piping hot or creamy cool. Had your fill, guys? Game for some amusement? There is no better place to escape stress than Go Bananas. The wild and wonderful indoor amusement areas have something for everyone to enjoy. The roller coaster that defies gravity and gives pure adrenaline rush, and other fun rides keep you and your family enjoying and on the go. From mild to wild, the Shell Water Park has it all for all. Make a splash in the cool blue waves. Time to get drenched. Come on in. Take a thrilling plunge down the water slides, or just relax and float around the lazy river. Enjoy your special fun to suit your mood and temperament. The Shell is studded with wave pool, family pool, lazy come crazy river, and crystal cave. All set amidst charming rustic ambience of natural wood, stone and lush greenery. With all this and much more, Fantacity goes beyond just entertainment to be a complete, wholesome and rejuvenating bliss. We have topped it all with a magnificent Ferris wheel to lift you up to a breathtaking view of the entire park and the far-off skyline. Situated on top of the changing blocks, The Ferris wheel with 80-meter diameter is sure to be a hit. And there is more icing on the cake. A finely crafted country club accentuating an eventful and vibrant lifestyle. A club with a distinct aura. It offers an abundance of style, comfort and luxury. Well-equipped fitness facility, spa, swimming pool, luxury tenting, unique banqueting opportunities and party lawn are some of the exclusivities of the club. All in all, at Fantacity, a fantastic slice of life is spread for you. A balanced blend of fun, recreation, shopping and eating. You don't just stay here and then move on. It is not just a place, but a destination that has a place in your heart.
Hey, we are open for all ages on all the days of the week. Start planning now. I am waiting for you at the Fantacity.